So a lot of people ask me what crowdfunding is, and to cut it very short and simple, it's a concept that's been taking place for many, many years. People join their funds together to co-invest into one or many assets, and that way they diversify their portfolio, and it makes it more bite-sized, so to speak. The only new thing here, which revolutionized the entire industry, is that we're putting it on the internet. Similar concept would be Uber. They revolutionized the transportation system by offering a very quick app where you can summon a driver to your doorstep whenever you'd like. In a very similar way, we're having deals online, which you can join along with people from around the world with a click of a button and be fully vetted and the investment within minutes at the very most. So that's why it's a very exciting field that wasn't available only 4 or 5 years ago. It's a new concept that's been doing really well in the Western world for many reasons, for the comfort, ease, security. It's been reaping a lot of people great benefits as well. And like I mentioned, it is a great way to start your portfolio. It's a very small investment, so to speak, and a lot of people are willing to take a risk on a smaller amount and see how that could actually increase their returns. The fees that crowdfunding companies charge, including ours, are very, very minor. In fact, if you compare them directly with you being a single owner of a piece of investment, it would be much, much better. We have a very small revenue model, but we're interested in the revolutionizing factor, introducing real estate to everyone as opposed to making large amounts of money very quickly. We're talking about many different forms as well of investing in real estate. We're selling units that are being rented out and managed by ourselves, by which the investor gets paid back in return. And eventually, after a certain period of time, they get paid back the principal plus any capital gain that's been made on the property. Simultaneously, we're also selling off-plan products. So an apartment that could be $1 million, for instance, we could sell it to 100 people. And between now and when the development is ready, we'll sell it for a profit, and the investors will make that profit very conveniently, sent from us to them directly. Another option would be debt investments, where a developer that is properly vetted by ourselves goes on to build a building or a resort, whatever it may be, and a small chunk we sell off to smaller investors at small tickets of, let's say, $20,000 or something close to that. So your portfolio could be made of a combination of these things, where overall you would have invested more than $100,000, but you have taken part in 5 to 8 projects, which diversifies your risk, the timeline by which you get paid, as well as the amounts that you're going to get paid back. So it creates a very interesting portfolio in terms of returns that is much better than having your money parked in a bank generating very low interest rates.